Let's get these columns to work. So what we're going to do is we're going to hop into the bottom here, and I'll just kind of zoom in to make it look a little bit better here. And I'll just add some space, and yes, I'll just add some space just like that here. And what we'll do is we'll take a look at the three columns, and we named those exactly three columns, which is great. And then what we have to do is you have to do overflow hidden. All right, and then we're going to do the width is equal to 1,000 pixels because that's going to be the width. The margin is going to be 0 pixels auto. Okay, just like that. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to padding. It's going to be 30 pixels by 0 pixels. And after that, we'll just leave it like that. Now we have to do a couple of other items here. First of all, we'll do the three columns, and it's going to be, in this case, header 2, since we already did that there. And then we're going to add in the padding. It's going to be 0 pixels, 0 pixels, 20 pixels, and then 0 pixels again. Font size, we'll make it 30 pixels. Okay, so now we kind of have this thing going here, but we're still not in the the columns yet. So what we have to do is you have to go to three columns. Okay, and these three columns we're going to have to say column 1. Okay, and before we do that here, we just want to make sure that we get everything right here, and yeah, everything is right. So I just sometimes copy and paste just to check. And we're going to do this float left, and by the way here, these should be colons, and there we go. And so yes, that makes a little bit more sense. And we're going to say width is going to be 300 pixels. And then we're going to go to, in this one case, it's going to be margin right 50 pixels. Okay. I'm going to copy and paste this 2 more times. I'm going to change column 1 to column 2 and column 1 to column 3 in this case. I'm going to delete both of these here like this because we don't necessarily need them. Now what's interesting about this is that for column 2 we just leave this exactly the same, and then for column 3 we're just going to go to right. Okay, and voila, we kind of have this neat little you can see how this is kind of shaping up to be a website already. But here we go, we have all of these three columns here. If you want to make this a little bit more better, we can, instead of doing column 1, we can just put some Latin texts in here, just like that. And I'll just simply do that here. And you can see that that looks a little bit better. This includes the tutorial.